Alright guys, we're live for break number 121. This is 2016 Panini Black Gold football. As always, we'll give a few minutes for everybody to find us.
What are you doing?
Alright guys, sorry about that, I was typing. We got 2016 Panini Black Gold here. Sometimes when it's slow, it's a mixture of baby, getting private messages, trying to follow notifications. I'm terrible with notifications. If you tag me, there's always a chance I'm going to miss it. My notifications, I have 19 right now. Probably 18 of them are crap. They're just people posting in other groups or stuff. And I'm guilty of a lot of times not looking at them. PM's the best. I mean, that's part of the lag. That's part of it. There's a lot going on. You guys are great breakers, so it comes with the territory. I enjoy it. Just sharing some stuff with you there. 2016 Panini Black Gold. Good luck, guys. I got a Bowman Inception due up. Chad's looking. I think he's trying to pick out what he's doing. So I can't tell you what he's going to do, but he's also got breaks going on. But I had scheduled earlier Bowman Inception baseball after this. After that, I don't know, it could be getting close to bedtime. I can't see that far into the future right now. So let's do this black gold and worry about that later. Alright, I'm going to get the teams up real quick. And let's go. This pack feels skinnier. I might have an inside scoop that there might be 2016 Absolute being posted in a few minutes. Just to warn you, I got a PM about it. Alright, let's do this black gold. First card, first pack. Joe Montana, Golden Arms. I didn't think about that TV. I apologize, guys. Baby makes it noisy. I don't even hear a lot of that stuff. Joe Montana seems like a popular pull out of this product. Number to 225. Shadow box going to the 49ers. Christopher Langren Leisure is the third one. That helps us. He's the one that got that Joe Montana card. This one is Austin Hooper for the Falcons. Number to 199. 199 Gold Prospect Signatures. It's a nice looking card going to Jamie Garza. Not just us two, Landgren too. Me and Chad do the breaks. I don't know if Landgren ever will or not, but he helps out a lot. Good guy. There's a lot more to run in this group than breaks. That's not really part of running the group. Ooh, Lions, big hitter. Mario Orellana, Barry Sanders autograph, number 222. That is beautiful. Mario, congratulations. I don't know that I've seen anything. Well, I'm not sure. That's one of the better cards you can see from this. There's my big top loaders. Free a few of those up. Alright, next card out. That was a monster Mario. I love pulling that big a card. Odell Beckham Jr. is another pretty good one. Just a patch, but big player for the Giants. Chris Dunham taking this one home. I'm sure he's happy about that. Number 175. Odell Beckham. Last card is a shadow box. It is Curtis Martin for the Patriots, number 225. And that one going to Cameron Williamson. Shadow boxes are pretty cool in this. It'd be awesome if they were all hits, but for a non-hit, these are pretty cool cards. Alright, done with pack 1. We still got pack 2 to go. Was I answering something up there? Oh, Brandon Lewis, 2017 boxes. I haven't looked. The ones around the draft, I don't know if Press Pass still comes out every year. They seem like they're in late March to April, or late March to May. Prestige always seems to come out pretty early. I haven't really looked at the schedule there. I should soon. Trying to bring out new products. Alright. First card out for the Seahawks. Franchise gold going to Lee Huskisson. Earl Thomas, Richard Sherman, Cam Chancellor. That's a pretty sweet Seahawks card. This one is numbered to 225. A nice shadow box there in the middle. Black gold's a pretty card. Oh, Christopher Leaf draft is out. I guess I'm late on the party. I haven't looked yet. Let me get to the other non-hit. For the Washington Redskins, Jordan Reed. Going to John Meadows. Number to 225. Shadow box. Did we have any Eagles? Okay, and we had a Patriots. The shadow box card. It was Curtis Martin. Number to 225. I'm drawing a blank on the Eagles. We'll cycle back through to double check. I don't think so, though. Next one out. That's a pretty card for the Seahawks. Lee Huskisson getting a CJ Pro Size. That has, I don't know if you can say that's 4 colors. We've talked about this before with the 2 shades of gray, but it's got a piece of blue and green in every patch. That one is numbered 250. Motherlode card. Those are pretty patches. Happy birthday, Lee. If it's truly your birthday, that's cool. Next one out, we've pulled him before. We might have pulled this same card, Gold Strike Autographs, Don Majowski. for the Green Bay Packers. That one going to Chris Dunham. Chris Dunham with his second hit. I think second hit. I know I've said the name. The Don Majowski on-card auto is number 299. We pulled 3 of those. 3 Majkowskis. I can't remember if it's Majowski or Majkowski. Last card out for the Bengals. Going to Danny Delfendahl. 4 patches of Tyler Boyd, gold prospecting, number 249. So I think we all know the MVP of the box. Something that's kind of fun to do for me. Pick out the best card, not to downgrade anybody's card. But this one seems easy. Tyler Boyd to 249, 4 patches, gold prospecting. Don Majowski, number 299, on-card autograph for the Packers. Motherlode, CJ Procise, number 50. 3 beautiful patches on that. Shadow box, Redskins, Jordan Reed, number 225. Shadow box, Curtis Martin, Patriots, number 225. Seahawks franchise gold, Earl Thomas, Richard Sherman, Cam Chancellor, number 225. That's a shadow box. Nice golden Odell Beckham Jr., number 175. Golden Hands patch. This here, I think unanimous MVP. It's not even close. Number 22, Barry Sanders. I don't know if you consider that an on-card autograph or not, because it's above the patch. It's like raised up a little bit. I suppose that's on card because it's on that piece. Beautiful card nonetheless. Austin Hooper autograph for the Falcons, number 199. And then the shadow box, Joe Montana, number 225. Golden arms. That was 2016 black gold. Chad's awake still, I think. Keep your eyes out. Breaks coming up. They might already be posted. I'm planning to do Bowman Inception at some point in the next bit. So I'll see you then, or I'll see you later.
Good morning.